USayitsheni Faninkosi osamisiwe ubhekene necala lokwephula imigomo elawula ukugcinwa kwezibhamu, ukutholakala neziqhumane nezinhlamvu ngokungemthetho nelokwephula ukusebenza kwengalo yomthetho. Encwadini yakhe efungelwe, uNkosi uyawaphika wonke amacala abekwe wona. Utshele inkantolo ukuthi amacala abhekene nawo akhiwe futhi umbuso unecala elintekenteke.
I condemn that the state's case is weak and non-existent, as I did not contravene Section 128A of Act 60 of Parliament, and this charge is brought in order to forsake me. The state and prosecution also charged me with defeating the ends of justice and of obstruction of justice, in that I was found in possession of the state-issued ammunitions while I am on suspension.
uNkosi usola ngokugxambukela ophenyweni kulandela ukutholakala namadokodo amacala okubalwa kuwona okudunwa kwezimoto ayengafanele ukuba kuye nezinye izimpahla zamaphoyisa ngesikhathi amaphoyisa egasele emzini wakhe.
I find it disturbing that the applicant was found with dockets and exhibits which were not supposed to be in his possession, as the system shows that those dockets were closed or filed at SAPS stations archives. The applicant was further asked by Lieutenant Colonel Ramaphosa about certain dockets which has gone missing, and he denied having been in possession of such docket, which later during the search the docket was found in his possession. The conduct of the applicant was very disturbing, especially being the person who ought to know what he was supposed to do with the state property.
uNkosi usolwa ngokuba umxhumanisi phakathi kwezikhulu esithile zamaphoyisa nezigebengu. Wethula ubufakazi eKhomishaneni kaMadlanga mayelana nokuxhumana kwakhe nabasolwa emacaleni obugebengu uVusumuzi Kate Madlala kanye noKT Molife. uNkosi uzogcinwa esitokisini kuze kube ubuyele enkantolo ngoMsombuluko.